In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import live web data directly into Google Sheets using just one powerful formula. This technique is not only efficient, but can also save you a lot of time and effort when dealing with data from the web. We'll be harnessing the capabilities of the IMPORTHTML function, a useful tool embedded within Google Sheets to extract the specific data you need from websites. Let's get started by focusing on how you can easily bring in a table from the internet. As an example, we'll use the table of countries listed by population available on Wikipedia. To begin, the first thing you'll need to do is open your Google Sheets and navigate to an empty cell where you want your imported data to appear. Here, you'll type the equal sign followed by the word IMPORTHTML. This function will allow you to specify the type of element you want to import from the web page, such as a table or list. Once you've typed IMPORTHTML, open a parenthesis, which signals that you'll start entering the function's parameters. The first parameter is the URL of the site you want to extract data from. In our example, we want the table from Wikipedia listing countries by population. Go ahead and copy the URL from your browser's address bar. This is important because the function needs to know exactly where to go to fetch your data. Paste this URL back into your Google Sheets right where we left off, ensuring it is surrounded by quotation marks. This tells Google Sheets that you're dealing with a string of text. Next, you'll need to input the second parameter, the query type. Since we're interested in importing a table, you'll type in table within quotation marks. This signals to the function that you want to pull in the table data from the page and nothing else. Now, it's time for the third parameter, which is the index. This determines which table to import if the web page contains multiple tables. Returning to the Wikipedia example, you'll notice there's only one table on the page, which makes it easy for us. For this, simply enter the number 1, indicating that it's the first table on the page. The function also accepts a locale parameter, but for our purposes, it's not necessary to include it. You can go ahead and press Enter. Your Google Sheets will then take a moment to load the live data. After a brief wait, you'll see the imported table content appear in your sheet, ready for you to work with. And there you have it. With just one formula, you can bring live web data straight into Google Sheets, making your data analysis tasks significantly more manageable and dynamic. Always remember to check for updates on the website you are linking to, as changes to the site can affect your imported data. I hope you have found this method helpful and that it opens up new possibilities for your data projects.